This is absolutely mind-blowing. One analyst has just sent shockwaves through the entire Shiba Inu community. According to this expert, a new all-time high for Shiba Inu isn't just possible, it's inevitable. And the craziest part? We might be seeing it way sooner than anyone expected. Those extra zeros we've all been waiting to see disappear? They could start vanishing fast. The long-held dream of hitting that 1 cent mark may finally be within reach. But why now? What's triggering all this sudden energy? Let's break it down. Let's get one thing straight. Today has been wild for Shiba Inu. Yes, the price has dipped, but if you look deeper, something interesting is happening. The coin is slowly crawling back up, and what's fascinating is the mood in the community. Normally, during a price drop, you'd expect panic, silence, or negativity. But right now, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is buzzing with excitement. The atmosphere feels electric, like something big is brewing just beneath the surface. And then came the big leak. A respected analyst has revealed that Shiba Inu's next all-time high isn't just a distant possibility, it's already set in motion. According to them, it's not a matter of if, but when. No teasers, no slow build-up, just straight-up confirmation that something massive is on its way. And this wasn't some wild theory either. There were details, data, and timing that all lined up perfectly. So, of course, the community went absolutely crazy. To make things even more intense, earlier today a massive whale movement was detected. We're not talking about a small buy-in. This was a significant shift, so big that even seasoned skeptics had to take notice. And we all know how this works. When whales move like this, they're usually acting on insights that aren't yet public. They know what's coming, and they position themselves early. Now, naturally, you're wondering, but what does the chart say? Is there anything to support this on a technical level? The answer is yes. One analyst explained it simply. Shiba Inu recently bounced off a crucial support level, one that it's consistently respected in the past. That bounce is not just technical fluff, it's a sign of strength. Right now, the price is hovering in a tight, coiled formation, as if it's catching its breath before the next big move. It's sitting just under a key resistance zone. The price movement is compressing, tighter and tighter, like a spring getting ready to pop. That kind of setup often leads to a breakout. And as long as Shiba Inu can stay above a short-term rising trendline, which it's currently hugging very closely, we're likely looking at an upward push soon. This combination of bullish chart patterns, large-scale whale activity, and rising community sentiment? That's not something you see every day. Let's not forget what's happening beyond the charts. A major voice in the Shiba Inu community, Your Pop, came forward with a bold declaration. Shiba Inu is programmed to hit a new high. That's the word he used, programmed. And when someone that deep in the Shiba ecosystem talks like that, it's not just speculation. It's a signal that things are happening behind the scenes, things the general public might not fully see yet. The Shiba Inu ecosystem has grown far beyond its meme coin roots. We now have a dynamic development team pushing hard with real-world applications. Shib, the metaverse, shibaswap, multiple play-to-earn games like Shiba Eternity and Agent Shibothi, and the crown jewel, Shibarium. Each of these is a pillar in a much larger ecosystem designed to drive long-term value. And the latest upgrade to Shibarium? That's a game changer. It now features automatic burns. Every transaction made on the network triggers a real-time reduction in the Shiba Inu supply. Swapping, staking, adding liquidity. No matter the action, Shiba Inu is being burned with each move. This kind of deflationary pressure builds scarcity. Combine that with rising demand, and you have a perfect storm for upward price action. Even beyond the die-hard community, major names in the crypto space are starting to take serious notice. Many analysts are predicting that Shiba Inu will not only surpass its previous high but might even flirt with that ever-elusive 1 cent milestone. Last year, Forbes ran models predicting a price range between 1/10 and 3/10 of a cent by late 2025. And Eunice Wong, a respected chart expert, echoed similar optimism, suggesting that Shiba Inu could reach just above that 1/10 level this cycle. And then there's Lucy, the head of marketing for Shiba Inu. She didn't just make a hopeful prediction, she confidently stated that Shiba Inu will hit 1 cent soon. Not might. Not, if conditions are right. She said it as if it's already on the way. And given her position, close to the development team and marketing direction, that's not a throwaway comment. That's a major hint. So if we step back and look at everything holistically, Asterisk development is ramping up with real projects and utility. Asterisk automated burns are now live, creating daily deflation. Asterisk major whales are moving early. Asterisk community sentiment is electric, not fearful. Asterisk holder count is climbing, even during price stagnation. That last point is especially important. Despite the lackluster short-term price movement, we've just crossed a historic milestone. Over 1.5 million global wallets now hold Shiba Inu. That's an all-time high. Think about what that means. People aren't just speculating, they're committing. They're becoming part of a movement. And this level of grassroots adoption doesn't happen overnight. It signals deep-rooted belief in the project and long-term expectations. This growing number of holders also adds another layer of stability. The more widely distributed Shiba Inu becomes, the harder it is for whales or institutions to cause massive volatility. It makes the ecosystem more resilient and sets the stage for healthier price climbs when momentum returns. Of course, we still have to be grounded. The broader crypto market right now is relatively quiet. We're not seeing huge influxes of capital. Without that, even promising projects like Shiba Inu can appear stagnant. But that's not a red flag. It's more like a pause, a deep breath before the next rally. This is what seasoned investors call the accumulation phase. It's the calm before the storm. And the smart ones? They accumulate during these quiet periods, knowing full well what's coming next. So yes, if you only look at the price right now, Shiba Inu might seem flat or unexciting. But under the surface, it's building momentum. Every burn, every new holder, every ecosystem upgrade, it's all laying the foundation. When the market sentiment flips again, and it will, the projects that have been putting in the work will be the first to surge. And Shiba Inu looks to be leading that charge. So what's the takeaway here? This isn't just hype. It's a convergence of strong fundamentals, community belief, and strategic development. If things continue on this trajectory, that 1 cent dream might go from fantasy to reality far sooner than we thought. What do you think about all this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're curious to stay ahead of the game, check out the other videos we've got lined up on the screen. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a Shiba Inu update, because missing one now might mean missing out on a massive opportunity. And if you found this video valuable, please share it far and wide. Let's get the word out. Shiba Inu is building something special.